majestic mountains rise to touch the sky, offering stunning views and thrilling adventures. 2. Serene lakes mirror the sky, creating a peaceful escape for reflection and tranquility. 3. Vibrant forests burst with life, showcasing nature's palette of colors and diverse ecosystems. 4. Captivating sunsets paint the horizon, reminding us of nature's beauty and fleeting moments. 5. Diverse wildlife roams freely, enriching our planet and highlighting the importance of conservation. Join us in celebrating the beauty of nature. Subscribe now.